All that kind, encouraging photography advice has led to a generation of lily-livered malingerers. Time for some tough love from Drill Sergeant Chris Niccolls.
This here is a digital technical marvel. I call her Matilda. Or if you're Millennifer Aniston, this is a smartphone. Either way, both of these platforms should shoot JPEG and RAW. That is what we'll be talking about today. If your camera does not shoot RAW, you are using a film camera. Throw it in the latrine. There is a time and a place for JPEGs. They are beautiful, they are sharp. But if you don't like your white balance or exposure, you're out of luck. If through gross negligence you have made a big error, just like in war, there are no second chances with JPEGs. Now when you shoot RAW, do not be surprised that they do not look as finished or polished as JPEGs, but you can push and pull the exposure, change the white balance, edit them to your heart's content. They are malleable, just like you wet behind the ear green recruits. And if you put the work in, you can make them into something greater. And here's a tip that the veteran professional soldiers like to use: shoot RAW plus JPEG. Yes, it takes up more space, but luckily I've got huge memory cards, so storage space isn't an issue.
Hey, Sergeant, sure you talk about your testicles?
Private Drake, obviously not. Do you need another dose of lens spray to the eyeballs?